How to use Recraft AI. Open an internet browser, type Recraft AI into Google, click on the first link in the search results. Now we are on the main page. If you want to explore the website, feel free, but first let's create an account. In the middle, there's a button called Start Creating Now. Click on it. Recraft AI will ask you to create an account. You can choose any method you prefer. I will sign up with my Google account. Now, you need to fill in some basic information about your needs. What do you plan to use Recraft for? I picked work. What kind of work do you do? I selected influencer. Simple. What do you plan to create with Recraft? I chose inspiration and ideas. Have you ever used AI image generation before? Yes, I tried Midjourney in the past, so I clicked yes a couple of times. How did you hear about Recraft? Of course, from my video, hahaha. After answering the questions, you will have to pick a plan. There are 4 options. I started with the free plan. Here's a quick tutorial on how image generation works. It gave me a random text prompt and then generated an image. On the upper left side, click on Insert and select New Project. Here, we will type our prompt. I typed Samurai Panda with nature in the background. Now, click on the Recraft button. AI is now generating the image. Looks pretty cool. Now, let's say I want to download the image. In the upper right corner, click on the Export button. Choose your width and height, then select PNG or JPG. I picked JPG, and that's it.